Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're featuring the best limited edition collector's wristwatch that blends modern fashion with rugged sports appeal. The Golden Hour Men's Fashion Sport Quartz Analog Watch in Black. If you're looking to elevate your wrist game with sophistication, performance, and unbeatable value, stick around for the next 5 minutes. Let's start with the first impression. The packaging feels premium. Inside the box, you're greeted with the watch resting on a soft cushion, shimmering under the light. As you pick it up, the stainless steel mesh band immediately tells you this isn't your average budget timepiece. The matte black finish, contrasted by the gray hands and indices, gives it a stealthy, ultra-modern look. This golden hour model features a chronograph display with 3 sub-dials. One tracks seconds, another tracks minutes, and the third handles hours, giving you the full stopwatch functionality. The large dial, encased in a scratch-resistant crystal, is easy to read and oozes style without shouting for attention. The quartz movement inside keeps things extremely precise. You're not going to be fussing about time drifting even slightly. It's powered by a battery that lasts long and ensures maintenance is minimal, another huge plus. One of my favorite features is the mesh stainless steel strap. It's breathable, adjustable, and incredibly comfortable for day-long wear. It locks with a secure clasp that's easy to operate yet firm enough to keep it in place, even during active days. Now let's talk durability. This watch is water-resistant, perfect for light swimming, accidental splashes, or a rainy commute. Just don't take it deep-sea diving. The case is sturdy, with a polished finish that resists fingerprints surprisingly well. Style-wise, this watch pairs with everything: formal shirts, casual tees, or even gym gear. It's one of those rare watches that doesn't just sit on your wrist, it completes your look. And at this price point, it's almost shocking how much value it packs. Also worth mentioning, the auto-date feature. It's tucked neatly beside the chronograph dials and keeps you on track without manually adjusting it every day, a small feature, but incredibly useful. To wrap it up, the Golden Hour Men's Fashion Sport Quartz Analog Watch is a masterclass in affordable luxury. It's sleek, functional, built to last, and stylish enough to make a statement without being flashy. For collectors, casual wearers, or someone hunting for the perfect gift, this limited edition piece deserves your attention. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into today's most exciting products. Until next time, wear your style with confidence.